Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to install TPM Diagnostics Tool in Windows 11. TPM Diagnostics Tool, or TpmDiagnostics.exe, is an optional feature that lets you find out all the trusted platform module chip information using command prompt. This command line tool needs to be installed in Windows 11 so that you can retrieve details about the TPM chip, which is required for installing Windows 11. TPM Diagnostics is an optional feature, meaning you can install it, but it is not mandatory. However, some commands might let you change various settings in your TPM chip. You should be careful about and change anything only if you know what you are doing. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Apps from the left side list. Click on Optional Features. Click on View Features. Type TPM Diagnostics in the search line. Select the search result and click on Install. Wait until installation is done. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!